Okay, day 7. Potato balls. Pause. Pause. No, brother. Probably the most boring part. Oh, no! 1 of 4. 2 of 4. 2 of 4. 3 of 4. Bro. Bro, I should have already boiled. I should have already turned this on, man, while I was peeling this. But whatever. Now I learned from my mistakes. While that's boiling now, I'm gonna cut this into cubes, I guess. Okay, the thing is, right? It's either hard potatoes or a weak table or a weak knife, actually. Now, this might take up too much storage, so I'm just gonna snap my fingers and it'll all be cubed. I mean, okay, not really cubed, but you know, just cut into smaller pieces and stuff. While we're waiting for that to actually like boil around and stuff, we're gonna make the coating stuff and all that. So, okay, right. So this is for the sauce. So let's just put this aside. Eat cheese for the inside, mozzarella, not mozzarella cheese. Breadcrumbs for coating. 50-50 share of cornstarch and flour. This is for so I can you know, brush it when whatever, man. Egg, mash. It's still here. We don't need it anymore. Salt, paprika, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and what else? That's about it. Canola oil. While we wait for we can actually do that, let's whisk this first, and you know, so we can get ready with this. That worked, no reaction. So, coating thing. Alright. Hey. You may have seen the TikToks where people are saying that potato balls are hard to make because the oil just dissolves the potatoes and now it's just a mashed potato, but not mashed. Like just cooked, fried mashed potatoes. Alright, I'm too excited. Let's just put this in even though it's been only 3 minutes. Oh my days, oh. Oh come on, it's boiling water. How would you not react like that? Let's try double. Wait. Superman. I'm sorry. Ooh! Right, let's turn this. I mean, not turn this, but let's already cut this up into cubes so that you know when you bite into the ball, you know it's yeah. So this is only a small thing of cheese. It's Eden cheese, not Parmesan, not It's probably Parmesan, not okay, whatever. Not cheddar, not mozzarella, but still it's cheese. You know what I mean? Yeah, block of cheese. I have gained the cheese touch. Oh my days, why is it so gooey? Dude, why is it like that? That's weird. So cubes, so one, two, yeah. But why can't I snap no more? Alright, so that's about 30 exactly cut slices of cheese. 7. So 4 rows of 7, 28, 29, 30. Boom. Simple math. YouTube, don't please take this down. It's just my humor. I call math as myth. Fourth tender. It has been almost 10 minutes, 7 minutes, I guess. Oh, is it not fourth tender? Wait, hold on. Watching all that cheese. I've actually got the cheese touch. Wait, hold on. Oh my days, that's outrageous. Ah! That's outrageous. Ah! Alright, it is now for tender. Alright, I've only used this for hot dogs. You know me, a man of a man of I mean a boy, I'm not a man. Still, I'm 13 or whatever. Oh wait, no, we're not even there yet. Okay, whatever. You know, I conserve stuff. Just fix the potato situation draining. Hold on. I'm just gonna get some tissue for draining. I'm not draining, but for drying. So now it's time to mash them. Bro, this thing probably is so stupid. Let's just use a fork. I have just realized that we're gonna have to put this in the fridge first because you know the oil. I mean the potatoes might. Yeah, so that's why I turned this off. I was thinking like mashing everything together, right? And then put them, then coat them in flour, then that, then that, then that. But you know what I mean. You have to put them in the fridge first. This is what keeps it, I don't know, together. So a bit of flour, and now with the fun stuff, black pepper, basil. I'm gonna use this as a little garnish too. Salt, paprika, paprika powder. Now we know that a lot of it comes out because of the shrimp accident. So wait, hold on. Onion powder. Oh my days! I did not know that a lot of that comes out. A few breadcrumbs. So I don't know. Right, I don't know why the recording off, but whatever. I'm now mashing it. Dude, it's like playing with Play-Dohs all over again. So let's flatten the sphere out. Cheese, cover, oh, cover, floor. Oh, MZ Forex Gaming, or ZAce, I mean. Oh my days, I'm so used to MZ Forex Gaming. ZAce, why aren't you doing, why did you not make a pasta? Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's because we don't have OO floor, whatever that was. Because we go back here, right? Oh, wait, hold on. Sure, I'm recording still. I had trauma from like day 2 or day 3. Now we're gonna use this, then paint this guy. The reason why I'm not just dipping him in here, just like the breadcrumbs, it's because I don't know why. But yeah. Now there we go, that's one. But I have to put this in the fridge. You know what, this is gonna be our little test dummy. Oh my, oh, oh my, bro, it cut so smoothly. Oh, it's a boxy dummy. You know what would be better? Sauce. More seasonings too. Alright guys, or I don't know. Today we're gonna be, not today, this time of day. Um, you know, whatever, day 7, whatever, all that. Whole corn soup. Alright, so, oh my, corn soup. Saute some garlic and onion. So that means I'm gonna chop and mince some onions and garlic. Bro, yeah. Alright, so I have this word in my mouth because people people say that it will help to not cry. Oh, wonderful. Okay, record. Bro, wonderful is itching. Alright, 1 tablespoon. I don't know how the heck to measure that, but whatever. I'm just gonna highball it. Alright. Why not use this? Ow. This is for the cornstarch slurry, which is gonna be an alternative to milk because we don't have that. Chicken broth. Corn in first. I'm crying, bro. Oh. I'm crying. Regular water, room temperature water, whatever. You can see oil particles float up atop, and that is what you see on the top of the soup that you eat. It's oil. Gives that silky, smooth, whatever texture. Not everything. I'm gonna make some cornstarch slurry or whatever that was. Move 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. This is cold water. You know, because it's stainless steel on the inside. You'd see that. That is not milk, but that is cornstarch slurry. Alright, well, I'm stirring this now. Now, it's starting to get yellow, which is crazy. While we slowly stir this, I'm gonna add a bit of that. I can't open this for crap. Bro, I'm pretty sure nothing's going in. Yeah. Oh no. Okay.
It's hot.
Right guys, so today it's the 7th day. Bro, it's the final day. Right? It's the final day. So now we're gonna not only cook a steak at last, also what was it again? Corn soup, steak, steak, and probably my own pasta sauce. But yeah, all that in one day, the final day also. So yeah. Bro, stop. So we have a prime rib steak. Bro, stop. A prime rib steak, 135 pesos. Hindi kita yun, oh. Alright, so I've cut it with the knife that I normally use every day. Boom, open it. So we're gonna be dry brining. It is the process of salting your steak for hours overnight and stuff like that. So you know, all the season will get into it. This is actually my first time holding a steak. It's so cold. Okay na. Okay, I might be the most dumbest cook ever because it don't even matter if this is wet. All you need is yeah. Okay na. Yeah. What we gonna do? It don't really matter if it's wet. 1/2 teaspoon actually of coarse dirt. Coarse salt. Coarse salt, not dirt. And since this is not pure sea salt or kosher salt, it's still iodized, but it is sea salt. We're only going to put a little bit because it'll taste like metal. And yeah, not that much because this will actually taste metallic. Listen to the sound. Let's wipe the remaining salt on here with the meat. Dry brining at its finest. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now. Alright guys, it's 8 AM, I mean PM. I didn't dry brine it for overnight because it's too long. And yeah, So and it's only a small cut, as you can see. It's just a it's just a small cut. Another voiceover, guys. So boom, cutting up some garlic, or not cutting, but just, yeah, just mashed garlic. Boom, oil, let it heat enough. I'm using coconut oil. It doesn't have a high smoke point, so I'm trying to like, yeah. And then this other part of the steak, it started bloating. I don't know, but yeah, I put the steak in and all that. The butter now, butter basting, and bro, the butter literally got trapped in there because the steak had like, I don't know, spaces. Like it's like a bowl. Like, yeah. Anyway, there's like a bone still. Like it ain't like your ribeye steak or something. Now for the test. Well done. Haha. I was trying to go for medium rare, but yeah. Bro, I'm literally crying, bro. Like no joke. Dude, I don't know if y'all can see it, bro. Hey, first time cutting an onion and crying. Anyway, okay guys, this is the last. Oh wait, hold on. Okay guys, okay guys, gonna be taking out the digestive tract, the black thing. Alrighty, y'all. Now we're gonna boil some pasta. The leftover farfalle. Okay, wait.
Farfalle.
Ah, fuck. Okay, now.
Alright, y'all. Gonna boil some pasta.
Hell no. Look, so I left 3 bloody heads. Right? 3 heads. Because that is the flavor of stuff. It's the mind. Bro.
Boss. Boss. Bro, are you seeing this?
Okay, pause.
Boss.
Okay. Mutant clove, man. You literally see the crease. You got to be joking. Alright, now we're gonna put the seasonings and all that on the shrimp. Chili flakes, some black pepper, paprika. And now mix again. It's so cool. Now, for once, we're gonna use extra virgin olive oil to cook. Now we're gonna use like low medium heat. Low medium heat. We're gonna wait for it to like move a bit, so squiggling around. Garlic. It is starting to move. Alright, now for the pasta sauce. Alright, so this is gonna be my own pasta sauce. I did not see this anywhere. I don't know how it tastes. I don't know what it tastes like. But yeah. Tomato sauce. Tomato paste. Black pepper. Sugar. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little bit of salt. Basil. A bit of water so it ain't that thick. You know, it's basically, I don't know, spaghetti kind of thing, but it ain't actual noodles. It's literally farfalle. Okay, y'all didn't see it, but I added the shrimp. Mamma mia, I've cooked up an absolute horrible idea. Bro, my stomach is literally empty. Yeah, it's pretty good. Bro, that last clip that you guys just saw where I was clapping, bro, I did not know that the recording was on. And that was a genuine reaction, bro. She turned it on secretly. For real. I put your dog's life on it.